Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. Okay, Bolo Buddies, this is going to be a little bit different, but I want to start by saying, hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Okay, so like I said, this video is a little bit different. I'm going to share with you 6 Bolo items to be on the lookout for, hopefully that you can pick up low and sell high. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. But here is the twist. These 5 of these are going to be members of my Bolo Buddies YouTube channel, my other channel, and one of these is going to be from a Goodwill online store, so an eBay store. I don't know if you guys know, but the Goodwill sells on eBay, and there's tons of stores, but this is going to come from one particular store. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 5 featured sellers first, and then I'm going to show you the 6 Bolo items. I can't talk, sorry. And in the comments, I want you guys to guess which one was sold by the Goodwill. So it's just kind of something fun. If you follow my other channel, my main Bolo Buddies channel, and you are familiar with some of these featured members, you may try guessing who sold what. So this is just going to be something interactive and fun. I thought I would try it. Again, there's going to be 7 different videos. I'll probably drop them either every other day or every day. I haven't quite decided yet. So let me know what you guys think about this series. But we are going to start with the 5 different featured members, okay? And then we'll go right into those 6 Bolos. And you guys, let me know which one the Goodwill sold. Let's see how good you are. Okay, so the first featured member is the Thrifty Nichols, and she has a reseller channel. The next is Lombardi Limited, who has an eBay store, no channel. And again, all of these links for these resellers are down in the description of the video, so be sure to check them out. The next comes from Vintage Barbie, no content yet, but coming soon, so check her out. Restored Glory Donna, and Cha-Ching King Scott. So these are your 5 resellers that are featured in this video. Again, links are down below. Now, I am going to show you the 6 items, and you guys have to guess which one was sold by the Goodwill. Okay, so here's the 6 items, the Bolos. Oh, I just thought of something. I'm going to show you the items, and then we'll have a brief intermission, and you guys can go down and guess in the comments of which one you think is the Goodwill sale, because I was thinking if I tell you where they got it and what they paid for it before, then you're going to know. So that won't work. So I'm going to tell you that after the brief intermission, and I'll probably pop up like my trailer or something like that in between. All right. So this is the first time I'm doing it. Still working out the tweaks and the kinks. But this is a 1940s Fisher-Price circus wagon toy. It's incomplete, you guys, and it sold for $48.99. You guys, the buyer paid shipping. So a very, very cool item. And again, it's incomplete. So these things do still sell, especially if they are vintage. The next item is this Bass trucker's cap. And if you guys want to know more about trucker hats and what to look for, I do have a video on my main Bolo Buddies channel that will teach you there's specific things that make them sell for more. A best offer was taken on this and free shipping. But this one has the rope and it's a Bass Fisher hat. The next item is this Henckels, Henckels, Elan block with knives. And this sold for $33 plus shipping. And it's a knife set, you guys. The next one is this Lady Lovely Locks hard to find Duchess Raven Waves. And it looks like this sold on auction for $224.72 plus shipping. this vintage Sun and Turf NFL San Francisco Hawaiian shirt. You guys, these Hawaiian shirts do pretty well, some better than others, but this one is actually 49ers. It's specific to this sports team. So that's a lot of fun right there. And the next item are these vintage enameled Hallmark pumpkin bucket and 4 mugs, which are super, super cool. These sold for $39 plus shipping, and I'm actually surprised they didn't sell for more because they are amazing. All right, you guys, I am going to insert my trailer now, and then I am going to tell you which item was sold by Goodwill, eBay, Goodwill, and then I'm also going to tell you what each featured member sold or paid for and where they got each item. So, brief intermission now. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. Okay, we're back. Okay, so if you guessed, well, we'll just start at the beginning. So the first item comes from the Cha-Ching King, and he got this at a thrift store for $1. And again, this is the Fisher-Price Circus Wagon, and he sold it for $48.99 plus shipping. The next item is the Bass Hat, and this was sold by Lombardi Limited. I'm sorry, yeah, Lombardi Limited. He got this for 50 cents at the Goodwill. The next item was sold by, did anybody guess that this item was sold by the Goodwill? eBay, Goodwill, online. If you guessed that this was the item, you are correct. So very, very cool. The next item was this Lady Lovely Locks. It's a doll, and this was sold by the Vintage Barbie, and she has about $25 in this. She picked it up in a big Barbie lot. The next item came from the Thrifty Nichols, and I did not get the information back on this. I switched items on her because I thought this was a cool one that I wanted to throw into this video, and I didn't get the info back. So I don't know where she got it or what she paid for it, but it did sell for $45 plus shipping. And this item comes from Duchess0911, who is Donna, also Restored Glory. You can check her out on YouTube as well. All the links are down below. And she got these from, well, where did I put the, oh, there it is. She got these at a thrift store for $4.99, and she sold them for $39. Okay, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. There's 6 Bolo items that you can be on the lookout for. These videos are going to be shorter. And again, it's just kind of a way to interact and get you guys to kind of guess and have some fun in the comments. So if you like this, let me know. If you don't, you can let me know that too in a very nice way. All right. If you made it this far, how about let's put a hat emoji down in the comments. And again, thank you for being here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that bell. That bell will notify you when I post new videos. Again, this is going to be every other day or every day. Haven't decided yet. So stay tuned for the next part. And if this is not the first video, then you'll have to go back. So there's 7 videos total. Check them all out for some big money or just some unexpected bolos. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.